Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use more than one account with Poppo Live. In order to do so, here we are in Poppo Live for iOS. And what we're going to do here is we're going to log in with Google. And once we've logged in, we're going to go ahead and we're going to log right back out again so that you can see how this works. We'll just give it a moment here. So now that we are all logged in, up at the top right hand corner, you're going to find the account icon. If we click on that, then from here, you have this slider bar here at the top. We're going to go ahead and slide that slider bar, and that's going to bring us to our profile page. Here at the bottom, you're going to see the settings icon. We're going to go ahead and click on that. And then from here, we could see the log out button at the bottom. Let's go ahead and log out. And here we are back at the main login screen. And we can go ahead and do the same process again, but this time we're going to log in with a different account. With just a couple clicks of the button, we are now logged in again. We're going to have to enter in our data. And there you have it. We're now logged in with Poppo Live, and we have done so with two different accounts. So really quite simple. You just have to make sure that you know how to log in and then log out and have a second account that's ready to go. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.